have thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of quarters. What's up, Joy fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your Joy boy back at it again. Alright, we are in a parking lot right now. This video is something I've never tried before. Check out all these quarters that we have back here. We have thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of quarters. I don't know. We're about to go deposit all these coins, and I thought it would be really cool to show you guys how much money this is all gonna accumulate to. We got these quarters from a vendor friend that we know who wanted to deposit these, and I told him, wait, let me film a video of us depositing all these quarters for you. So we're gonna go deposit them at the Mid-First Bank. They're an awesome bank, guys, because they don't charge to deposit coins, and they have a money counter there, so you don't have to roll it like some of the other banks make you do. So we're gonna go there. It is going to be quite a process trying to move all these quarters, because as you can see, there's no way I can even lift
really
up.
heavy.
Yeah, there's just way too many quarters in here to even try to
lift.
Yeah, lift. I don't know how we're gonna move all this. We do have a little dolly there, but we're gonna have to make at least 10 trips or something. We'll figure it out once we're there, because we are gonna have to go just get one of these buckets and only fill it up to about here, because there's no way you can lift these. So I don't know, we'll figure it out, but I will show you guys the process. I'll do my best to record it. It is a bank, so I don't know if they're gonna let us record inside or what. So we'll see, but let's head over to the bank and see how much money we have. Yeah. All right, guys, we are taking our first bucket of quarters. Holy moly. So we can only fill the buckets up to this much because
they're really heavy.
Yeah,
guys.
They're really heavy, and there's no way we can carry this. So we're just gonna do the first one kind of light, just to see, because we haven't even gone in yet. And then, oh gosh, there's stairs.
What?
Oh my gosh. Hopefully that's not a problem, but all right.
We'll do our best.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Oh, you do need an account at Mid-First. I'm gonna make sure I have my card. Right.
Let's go inside.
Take in our first bucket. See what's good.
Here's Mid-First Bank, guys.
We out here, Joy fam, at Mid-First Bank.
Oh, guys, there's a little ramp.
Oh.
Yes. Mid-First Bank customer. Starting to pop up new coins.
Throw them on.
See if I can sense.
I'm gonna close that door.
Momentary delay. Momentary delay. Okay, guys, Will's going to get the next bucket. We're currently at $768, guys, and we're not even done yet. That's just like a fifth of what we got, guys, so So we'll be right back, and we'll see you guys with the next bucket. Will is coming in right now with the next bucket of quarters. We're at $768.06, guys. About to add to the total. That's 1,000 quarters they filled up. It's crazy. I'm unjamming it right now because I think we filled it up again, so it's like a time to kind of empty it out. Keep going. Handfuls of quarters in. Right now. Finished.
One penny.
Wait, no, there's more spinning.
I want to end it on even numbers. So
Alright, thank you.
You know what?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a quarter. I don't know. It's just, it's in there.
Okay, guys.
That's 1 quarter.
Alright, we ended that all those quarters, guys.
Not bad.
Not bad. 59.09, 51.
Yeah.
There's our receipt, guys. There's that number. If you guys guessed 59.09, 51.
Congrats.
Congrats.
You are somehow like the smartest person in the world or something. Alright guys, we are done depositing the quarters. It was a lot of quarters. Unfortunately, we couldn't do all of them because the machine kept breaking down, and
they were kind of game.
It was really, we could tell we were making them, we were coming close to their breaking point. Because like at some point you just got to stop, and like it just got too extreme. But we were able to cash in almost $6,000. Check this out here. Hold this really quick so I can show them. I mean, besides these ones, I don't even.
No one cares about. No one cares about.
I'm gonna pocket this. But look at
all these hundreds.
Hundreds, like crazy amount of hundreds right here. This is $6,000 in cash. So I thought this would be a cool idea to film. I don't think I can post these very often. I don't know where I'm gonna find thousands of dollars of coins every time I want to post a video, but this was kind of like a test trial to see if this video might get views. Maybe it's popular, but I don't know.
I was like over 20,000 quarters.
Over 20,000 quarters we deposited in that. We still have like 1 bucket full of quarters in here that we never got to deposit, but Well, that is the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, let me know by hitting that like button down below. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, links are in the description as always, as well as my cameraman's Brett's channel. Check his arcade channel out in the description. It'll be down there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.